Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about doll cake decorations, different styles, different color combinations and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both beautiful babies and baby showers. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative design. If you're new my channel and don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Cake decoration ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trendy. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you're new my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please make sure press the bell icon if you don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Please thank you so much everyone for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers or any other celebrations. Consider these theme decor matching the occasions. I hope you like this decoration with theme and color combinations. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing designs. I hope you love my cake decorating ideas. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas or any other celebration ideas, then please visit my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.